Hi everyone, it's Anne, Crafty Kimchi. Welcome back to my channel. I have a fun project share for you guys today. So I will be attending the Stamp and Scrapbook Expo hosted in New Jersey, and it is this upcoming Saturday, and I will be meeting some crafty friends, and some I'll be meeting for the first time, and some I will be meeting again or hanging out again. We will be attending and doing a fun class, and I will take a video and take some pictures of my experience. Hopefully, I can come back and share that with you. I plan to buy some fun things. I do have some stuff on my wish list that I'm kind of itching to buy, and I'll come back on to share what I picked up. So we are planning to meet and go to a lunch, and hopefully everything works out. And I thought I'd come and make some goodie bags. The only problem is I have really not been able to craft a lot as of late. I mean, this is like the last month of summer, and we're just trying to enjoy, I guess, the last bits of summer in New York. Our summers are fairly short. So I only pulled from what I had in my stash. I do have embellishments that I create and then I just kind of set aside, and I just pull from what I had. So they're nothing like innovative or different, but I did I really love how they came out. So you'll see how I progress. These were like the beginning ones, and I'll show you how my ending bags resulted in. But I used this ephemera piece from, I think this is the Sunny Days ephemera, and I wanted to kind of like write a nice note. And my handwriting's not the best, but I thought it was like a personal touch that I can add. I am obsessed with this trim from Hobby Lobby. It's a sparkly glitter, I don't know, like ribbon. I'm not sure what kind of, I mean, it's kind of like a tulle, but it's really thick. And I've just been adding it to like all of my projects. I'm obsessed. And this is my purple bag. So I just added a little doily, kept it fairly simple. And these are one of my handmade Maggie Holmes flowers. On the back, I did back all of them with my favorite label stickers, and these are from my friend April Olander Designs, and I'll leave a link down to her shop down below. These are a must-have. These are so fantastic, and if you have an electronic cutting machine, that's even better. They cut it for you. So I'm obsessed. Thank you so much, April. This is my first bag. Not bad. It was a good start. My second bag, which was a little bit more summery, and I did use, again, the Sunny Days collection for Maggie Holmes. I just laid a simple doily down. I didn't really do anything crazy. And yeah, it was fun. Again, that really fun glittery ribbon and my label in the back. And then I kind of stepped it up a little bit. By my third bag, I created this embellishment. I saw someone on Instagram kind of create this. I think they got inspiration from Mrs. Everly, and I had to recreate it as well. So I made this embellishment, and it's on a rosette. It's all glittered up, and then I kind of like took another die cut, and I just kind of went around the edges with gold. And I thought this was like a kind of focal point. I love, 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 love this piece. It's very elevated. But then I had a bunch of strips and scraps left from this Sunny Day collection. And I thought, hey, why don't I make a big kind of like wonky stitched embellishment and create flags with all of them? So that's what I did. I just kind of like laid it down, sewed it straight across. It's not the best sew job here, but I did a fun little zigzaggy. Again, that glitter ribbon, a little ephemera piece, and I just put these little puffy hearts on top, and I love how this came out. And it's actually really heavy because of this big rosette, and hopefully my pal or whoever receives this bag can just pull this off and use it as a cool embellishment. You can see even here that I'm kind of obsessed, guys. I've used that the Distress Oxide spray and in spun sugar, and I put it on vellum. It did curl up a little, but I really actually don't mind it. It's just a layering piece anyways. Obsessed. Anyways, so that's bag number 3. I believe I showed this embellishment in my Maggie Holmes Embellish share, and I'll leave a link down below if you haven't seen it yet. But as you can see from the bag, I sprayed that distress oxide spray. I cannot stop like using that spray. I love, love, love the finish that it gives. It gives it such a, I don't know, cool spritzy finish. Anyway, so I did use that again, glittery ribbon. I did a little stitching on the side here, and I just laid this hot air balloon embellishment that I created. And it's really simple, but you know, it's on a very large tag. It's layered, it has dimension, it's a super fun piece. I love these little, I don't even know what they're called, but I think they're like the Willow Lane kind of like bunch strings. And I've been kind of obsessed with these as well. So that is my bag number 4. This is kind of my like minty bag. So again, I used an ephemera piece, and I just wrote a little small note. You know, I think it's just kind of personalizes it, and I just added a little butterfly here. I spritz some of my distress oxide spray, and I forget the name. Oh, that's cracked pistachio, and you could see it on the bottom. It is a really fun color. Yep, and then this is another embellishment that I made, and I did share that in my video. It is a really fun piece, and I think it just kind of puts it together. And last but not least, this is my, I don't know, like a tag. I made a tag fan baggie. So again, as I mentioned, I put some of that kind of gathered string, and I laid this butterfly on top kind of to give it more of a wingy effect. This is an embellishment that I created actually a while ago when I was in my Willow Lane period. I use my favorite puffy hearts from Ally, and I'm planning to actually do a my favorite things from Ally, and hopefully before the sale comes out, and hopefully could share that with you. Again, I sprayed some of that distress oxide spray, and it's on a rosette. I really love this piece. Just go figure, you take a rustic looking Tim Holtz fan dye and you make it super pretty and glam. And yeah, that is really all of my, I'm just going to zoom out a little bit, all of my fun project shares. I hope my pals and friends or new friends that I meet at the expo enjoy my bags, and I will see you in the next video, hopefully with a fun update on my expo experience. Okay guys, I'll see you in the next video. Bye!